It's day 10 here in Moab. We are leaving today and we will be heading to Salt Lake City to visit the Great Salt Lake and hopefully jump into it. We've done the arches as you saw on day 9, and we are leaving the Great Atomic Motel. So today will be the day we'll jump into Salt Lake. This is a terrible intro.
It was at this moment that he knew. He up.
I've had too much to drink. It's gonna be a hard day for me. But we're okay. We're gonna make it. There's Mary. We've lost Craig, but he'll find his way back. He's resilient like that. And that's it. Our mascot is with us, Moab. Now we have a road buddy, and should be a good trip. So we headed off to see the delicate arch. No bikes, no dogs, no luck. Because somehow we can't do enough walking, we're doing it again. We are, where are we?
On our way to the delicate arch, 0.5 miles away.
0.5. Moderately difficult hike, I'd like to add.
Moderately difficult. We actually made a sensible decision and didn't go for the 3-mile difficult one. Yeah. On a day where we have to do 7 hours of driving.
Yeah. We gotta do some shopping too before we leave town. There's a hat that needs to be bought.
Knife.
We also have some swimming to do today.
Where are we gonna swim?
Salt Lake.
We're gonna do that today?
That's on the list.
Oh my God, how are we gonna fit all this in?
All right, walk faster then. Everyone keep moving. Just a little bit faster today.
We're doing a 10-mile hike tomorrow.
Oh my God. 10-mile hike tomorrow? Oh. This is not fun. I'm glad I know nothing about this trip and I'm just following, because then I can't be angry about any of the choices that are made. Moderately difficult, out of breath, close to death. Here we go.
Famous on Utah license plates.
Although only a short journey, still pretty amazing. So many different types of landscape. You look over here, you got red dirt, you got rock. Over here you got this weird green jade landscape. Saving the day. Saving the day. Giving bandages out on the trail.
Have a good time.
All right. So we made a quick stop at Moab to do some last-minute shopping. I found a bandana at a bookstore. Craig bought a knife. Yeah, and if we could see one of the little, the blue and the yellow buck.
Or the black.
Or the black. Andy made a final decision on his hat. All right. With 3.5 hours between us and Salt Lake City, we hit the road. As we approached our destination, we crossed the salt flats.
They call this salt fever when you become so obsessed that you just can think of nothing but going faster and faster and faster.
We are about to go swimming in the Great Salt Lake. And it is about 90 degrees outside and it's 81 degrees in the water. So that should be pretty warm. Mary, you look so happy about everything that's happening.
Yeah. Oh, it stinks. Oh my God. Oh.
But once we get past this, we'll be okay. All right, I'm gonna do the damn thing. You're gonna have to run for a while. It's nice not stepping on rocks though. Every other place we've been in has tons of rocks. Here comes Mary, looking excited.
So this one, what does it say? Squid? There's look, there's one.
What?
An animal.
An animal?
Yeah. An animal.
Oh no, it's Dead-Eyed Dan, and he's heard that sea monkeys are in town. Dan, wait, don't go in there. Sea monkeys ain't monkeys, Dan. Why, they don't even live in trees. They live in water, and for little fellas, they sure have big families. All anyone in this town has to do is add sea monkey eggs to prepared water, and bang, they see them alive. Now, Dan, there's only room enough in this town for one kind of monkeys, and that's sea monkeys, so you better head on out.
Sea monkeys, the amazing instant pets for the whole family.
The hundreds, thousands. They're all around us. There's so many. Oh my God. Can you see them all?
Yeah.
Video it. I think they're being friendly. Are they fighting?
I don't know. Once we got comfortable with the idea of swimming in brine shrimp stew, we settled in and enjoyed our ability to float on the surface of the water. After floating around for a little bit, I decided to fly my drone.
Action!
I wanna sink to the bottom with you. I wanna sink to the bottom with you. The ocean is big and blue. I just wanna sink to the bottom with you. 'Cause on the highway, planes in the air, everyone else is going somewhere, but I'm going nowhere, getting there soon. I might as well just sit down with you.
Danger! Danger! Danger!
As you just saw, the drone decided to take a dip, so it did. Now I have a $400 paperweight. Maybe, we'll see. There's always hope we might do that, but we're in the saltiest water ever, and I just don't think it's gonna come back. Oh well, such is life. We took one last look at the Great Salt Lakes and we headed out in the search for food. We're going to In-N-Out.
Yeah, we are.
Animal style fries, baby.
Yes!
Animal style.
Oh yeah.
What does that mean?
You get sauce, onions, and cheese on it. Oh, it's so good.
Never heard of that.
Anyways, after refueling ourselves and the car, we hit the road and headed towards our final destination, Twin Falls. Comment, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned for our next adventure. Ooh. Ooh.